Hello again. Well, it's a beautiful day here in New Plymouth, New Zealand. My name is Gaye, and today I have decided I want to do another pour with my little lids that I've managed to score off protein drink pouches. And my colours are going to be dark green, white, navy blue, red, yellow, purple, vermilion and burgundy. And I'm going to make little flowers on the canvas and then just decide whether or not I'm going to leave it when it's finished or give it a bit of a tilt or maybe even a little bit of a blowout with a straw. So I'll remove these colours and put some titanium white base onto my canvas and then my little lids. That's looking pretty good. I've pretty much got the pattern that I wanted, and each colour is going to be a different colour for my flower pattern. If I can make the flower pattern, I can never be sure exactly what is going to happen once I pour the paints. And my paints today are quite a thin consistency, slightly runnier than what I normally have, but that is so that they will merge better onto the canvas once they are poured through the little lids. So now I'm going to start pouring my colours through until I have put on as much as I need. I'm going to start with the dark green because it's not actually going to be one of the colours of the flowers. It's just going to be the outer, hopefully, the outer edge for them once I start pouring them. I've got my piece of plastic and I think I've let the paints settle enough. They're not quite down as far as I expected them to go, but that could be because these have suctioned to the paint underneath. So I'm just going to lift them straight off now and put them onto my piece of plastic. I originally intended to do separate colours for each one, but unfortunately, as I was doing them, I forgot which colour went where. So they've kind of ended up a little multicoloured. I'll just do a quick torch to bring those bubbles down. And now I am going to use my little leaf blower toy to just gently blow out the edges of these flowers. I was going to tilt, but I think if I tilt I will lose what I'm looking for. So I'm going to see if I can blow each one of those petals out. I'm thinking I might put this whole lot thing onto my Lazy Susan to, or should I say my spinner, just to lift it a little so I can turn it round. Right, I'm all ready to go. I've got my my picture on my spinner so I can just turn it round as I blow and see what I get. That is beautiful. Loving how all those colours have come through. As I said, I originally intended on having separate colours for each flower, but I really like the mix of the colours. I'm just going to bring a little more of the purple out in this one, on this side. That's it. Maybe a dot more over here as well of the orange. Wow, really happy with the way that's come out. Got the negative space still with the white. Got all the beautiful colours. Got the dots, which I really like. I don't know why I like them so much, but I like them sort of around the edges where they haven't quite come through the white paint. And I know it's because of the bubbles. But they are coming up as I pop the bubbles. More and more of them come up, and they're really nice. But those colours, very, very happy with that. All my colours came through in some form or another, so that will do me for the day. That is my picture experiment, which for me has worked out really well. Okay, I'm just going to bring the picture up now to show you closer and up close and in the light. I want to show you how lovely those colours look. The orange on the left there, and the burgundy on the right, and some red is still actually on there down on the bottom right hand side, and purple. There's a lot of paint off on there, so I'm losing it. It's tending to go over the sides a bit, but I'm still happy with the way that it's come out. I'm really pleased I put that navy blue in the middle to leave the colours around the outer edges, and of course I've got plenty of negative space. So that's it for me for the day. My picture is now done, and I'm really, really pleased with it. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.